What's up guys, welcome back to Khayam TV. Thank you for watching my last video as well. It actually inspired me to make another one, so I decided I should make something, I wouldn't say better, because everything that I have in the make, it's good. So today I'm gonna make curry and pakora. I said it hello like a Pakistani. I am a Pakistani. Alright guys, today I'm gonna make some curry and pakora. I say I because, okay, I'll just say we. I mean, my wife does most of the work because she's a pro at this, but like I'm learning, I'm a student, so I mean, I'm still making it. Am I not? I feel like I am. When you know you're a pro. Alright guys, so the food's finally ready and I'm actually ready to try it. Honest review. Yes, honest review. So let's see. So I put the pakora into the curry because that's how you're supposed to eat it. That's like the best way. So let's go. Right on spot, man. It's delicious, man. It's like a little khatta, which makes it perfect, because like the pakora is, I don't know what to say, but it's just delicious. It's really good. Try one more. Since it's hot, it's like melting in your mouth. Oh, oh man. दस विच दस तू कड़ी and pakora. Excuse me. That actually hit the spot. Alhamdulillah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and the comment button. Is there a button for comments? Yeah, you write the comment and then pew. And for the last video that I put up, thank you so much for you guys' comments and likes. I really appreciate it. I hope that you guys do the same for this one. You guys really inspire me to go on and make more videos like this. I feel like you guys like more food videos than other videos, so I will continue doing these kind of videos. Alright guys, see you in the next one.